Welcome back, guys. In today's video, Victoria asks, what should I look for in a WordPress theme? Also, how difficult is it to change themes at a later date? So let's try to explain here and help out Victoria. I'm going to jump over to our justademo.com demo website, and we're going to talk through WordPress themes. All right, so first off, it's really easy to change themes. You should do it often when you're just starting a blog or website, so that you get the perfect theme. It's really easy to add themes. You can obviously just click install and then click activate, and then they'll show up in your themes library right here, and you can easily delete them. So here's just a few I like. You can easily delete them just by clicking to open them and clicking delete in the lower right and then OK. So for this demo website, we're running a theme called Sydney. This is a pretty exaggerated case here of just a really times 1,000 good theme for free. We all want to get more for less in WordPress and in domains and in hosting and in this whole environment. And Sydney gives us like possibly the most for free. That's just one example of a good theme, but you might not want your website to look like Sydney. Okay, you might want just a standard blog, for example. So what do? Well, the first thing you should look for, Victoria and anyone else who wants to find the perfect theme, is something that shouldn't show up. So you don't want to see, like when you install a theme, a little prompt or a notice saying buy the premium version, or upgrade right away, or get all these features if you upgrade. You want to be happy with the free version if you wanted a free theme. And what I've seen on some free themes that look really good, in Add New, they look really good. I'm not going to call it specific ones, but they just look pretty. Then you install them and it just right away wants you to upgrade to premium to get the features that you thought you'd get for free. So if you see those little notifications right when you buy a theme, bad. Delete it. Get a different free theme, because there are themes out there that give you the free version with everything. The second thing you should keep an eye out for is how many features you get for free. So you can find your features in Appearance, Customize, and ideally you want to see more than 5 tabs here. It's really nice how Sydney gives us blog options, and they give us other nice bonuses as well. So, sorry, I just X'd out there. They give us homepage settings, additional CSS, custom CSS, all these things. These are all really cool, unique features to the theme, and it's not like they're just giving us the default WordPress features. The developers at A Themes, who make Sydney, actually created all this for us for free. So you want lots of options here in Customize, or even better yet, you might get an entire theme options section. It might say the name of your theme on the left navigation, and then you get more options. With Sydney, we also get employees, testimonials, services. Like I said, this is an exaggerated example. Like, this is one of the best themes ever made with the most downloads, but if you get more WordPress options here, you're in good shape. You want more. Another good thing to look at is just the Twitter page of the theme developer. So you can see how many followers they have, and more importantly, whether or not they're responding to tweets. So if I look up A Themes, who made Sydney, all right, not the best example. I couldn't find A Themes on Twitter, so I just looked up their website and got to the support section. So this all looks great. If you can't find the Twitter, at least you should be able to find a good support page on their theme website. And we also see that there's all these other beautiful themes aside from Sydney, so that like other themes work and people are not just using one look, but people like a lot of different looks, and you can try out a lot of these hopefully for free. So a different example on Twitter would be UX Themes. They create Flatsim, and you can see they're actually active. They have contests, they respond to people, they help out. You want to see this sort of interaction on Twitter, and it's a really good place to just get quick answers when you can't build something, or you want to remove something, or you're lost. So check out Twitter, check out the website for your theme developer of choice, or whichever one you're considering. Make sure you get enough features in WordPress, and make sure they don't just want you to buy the premium version right away. Hope that gives you a start on what to look for in a new theme, Victoria. It's definitely not difficult to change later on, but the deeper you go in blogging and the more your audience gets comfortable to your look, the more confused people might be if you change it all of a sudden. The worst thing you can do is just make it so people can't find your content. So just keep in mind that once you find a good look, you should consider sticking with it over time. Alright, thanks so much, Victoria, for asking the question that inspired this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, because I really enjoyed making this for you. Please make sure to subscribe so that you get the answer to your question if you're featured, and you get all the latest in WordPress how-to and tips. Alright, that does it for today, and I'll see you guys next time.